we explore a residential concept that blurs the boundaries between a private home and the refined atmosphere of a boutique hotel. This design embraces a dramatic yet intimate character, offering an environment where everyday life feels elevated into an experience. The balance of function and aesthetic ambition is not only carefully orchestrated but also deliberately theatrical. It's a space designed to inspire comfort while simultaneously impressing with its artistic composition and architectural depth. One of the most striking elements of this design is the conscious choreography of natural light. Skylights, voids, and carefully framed openings allow daylight to sculpt the interiors, creating shifting moods throughout the day. The contrast between illumination and shadow lends the house a sense of mystery, where certain areas feel warmly inviting, while others remain dramatically subdued. This dynamic interplay of brightness and darkness reinforces the immersive quality of the home and emphasizes its architectural storytelling. crucial part of the design lies in its rich material palette. Stone, timber, and dark finishes are layered to create a tactile, grounded feel that resonates with the senses. These materials are not chosen merely for their aesthetic appeal, but for the atmosphere they generate: cool surfaces balanced by warm timber details, rough textures softened by smooth finishes. This layering of contrasts adds depth to every corner of the home, ensuring that the interior feels both robust and refined at the same time. The layout of the home prioritizes openness while maintaining a sense of intimacy. Spaces flow naturally into one another, yet each zone retains its own distinct character. Large gathering areas are juxtaposed with smaller, quieter retreats, providing a balance between communal life and personal privacy. Circulation paths are crafted with intention, guiding movement in a way that feels effortless and engaging. This makes the home not just visually compelling, but also practical and highly livable for day-to-day needs. What truly sets this design apart is its ability to transform ordinary living into a retreat-like experience. Every room has been imagined as a sanctuary, echoing the feeling of a weekend escape without ever leaving home. The interiors draw inspiration from boutique hospitality, where comfort is heightened through careful design choices. Whether it's the intimacy of a dimly lit corner or the openness of a light-filled living area, the atmosphere nurtures both relaxation and a sense of quiet indulgence. Beyond the details, the architectural form of the house communicates a powerful sense of drama. Bold volumes intersect, creating layers of perspective and striking compositions. Vertical spaces invite the eye upward, while horizontal spans stretch the perception of width and openness. The play of geometry ensures that the home feels monumental without losing its human scale. This careful balance creates a sense of awe, reminding us that architecture can simultaneously be both functional shelter and sculptural art. In the end, this home represents more than just a place to live. It embodies a vision of how architecture can elevate the everyday into something extraordinary. Through its material richness, thoughtful layout, and immersive atmosphere, it manages to feel both dramatic and deeply personal. For those seeking inspiration that bridges the gap between modern residential design and the sophistication of boutique hospitality, this is a powerful example. Thank you for joining us on Gubic Design, and stay tuned for more architectural journeys that inspire.